Our equipment has a split design and can be serviced without disassembly. This design not only facilitates the maintenance personnel, but also ensures their safety. The maintenance location of the equipment is close and the underground is convenient, which makes the maintenance easier. Garbage incinerator, convenient maintenance, split design. At present, the cost of labor is much higher than the cost of equipment. Our equipment can be serviced every 3 to 6 months or more, during which time only sorting and feeding 3 to 5 times a day can be done. The maintenance cost is low and the equipment pipeline is simple to clean and it is not easy to jam. Our equipment is not only simple to operate, but also convenient for maintenance and cleaning, which brings great convenience to urban sanitation work.